sekarang boleh saya undang Andreas. Andreas, silakan maju ke depan. Andreas juga akan memberkati kita dengan, kita lihat aja ya, 1 apa 2 ya. Oke, mari Andreas, silakan Andreas.
Shalom everyone.
Shalom. Oke, kata-katanya mana?
The herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With the angelic host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ the highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of a virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh, the God at sea, hail the incarnate deity. Pleased with us in flesh to dwell, Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hail the heaven-born Prince of Peace, hail the Son of Righteousness. Light and life to all he brings, risen with healing in his wings. Mighty lays his glory by, born that we no more may die, born to raise us from the earth, born to give us second birth. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Sepertinya semua sudah tahu lagunya. Anyone is welcome to sing along.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing over the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the glidesome tidings be, which inspire your heavenly song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. and see Him who spurred the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. In excelsis Deo.
Andreas, thank you untuk gift atau
Merry Christmas everyone.
Oke, Merry Christmas. Terima kasih Andreas untuk share kamu punya talent yang Tuhan kasih untuk kamu.